Okay, Mr. Thompson, you get to go first.
Well, really, I'm a candidate for federal office. This is not my area. This is not an area for the federal government.
This is a logical question.
Excuse me?
Yes, I
Excuse me, this
understand.
isn't an audience.
But again,
Sure.
as a federal lawmaker, that doesn't fall under what the Constitution tells me I can do. Again, if it were up to me, we'd have health care for everybody and cover everything. I wish we could do that, I really do. But again, we're $8 trillion in debt. We don't have the money to do it. Even if we could do it, we're $8 trillion in debt. We can't do it. I can't address this issue because it's not for me to do that. If you have a medical question, you need to talk to your doctor. I'm not a doctor. I don't play one on TV. Again, if it's not left to the federal government, my Constitution tells me, 10th Amendment, that's an issue left to the states. Therefore, as someone running for federal office, I don't have a say in that. For me to go off and expound my opinions on that, it's reckless for me to do that. It's an overreach of my authority as a federal legislator to do that. It's not my job. And again, even if it were my job, I've got $8 trillion to deal with here. That's over and above whatever we have to begin with. So we could address these issues, and the other kids will, and that's fine. But I don't have the authority to do that, and so I'm not going to do that.
Okay, I deserve a rebuttal. It's not left to.
Excuse me.
You're not a candidate, though. You don't have a rebuttal.
No.
Excuse me.
But
Okay,
it's left.
excuse me, ma'am, following the end of, we have the remainder of this question for the other two candidates to answer. They have a rebuttal period and closing statement. I think it would be fair to say that you could engage any of them in conversation following that.
Okay, but this is.
That
it's
let them,
instructional.
the candidates need the opportunity to respond to your question. If you don't agree, that's fine, but this forum is for the candidates to answer the question, which you have posed. And so now we're gonna let the candidates